Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to customize our Google Map element settings. Let's get started. Click on your map element, then go to Settings on the action bar above. This window will open, and here you can set whether you want to show or hide the directions link, show map and satellite views, show zoom in or out buttons, show street view control, or to allow or disallow dragging. You can also choose the zoom of your map by adjusting this slider over here or by inputting a specific value on this field. Moving on, you can also choose your map type. So you have four options to choose from. So you have the standard, you have the light, you have the dark, and then the satellite type. So feel free to tweak your map settings according to your needs and preferences. Once you're done, your changes will be saved automatically, so it's safe to close this window. And that's all for today. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.